Hello friends, welcome to the learning curve. Now look at this maths Olympiad question. The question is a to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equals to 130 and we have to find the value of x. Now let's find out the solution to this question. You can write that this 8 as 2 to the power 3 whole power x plus 2 to the power x is equals to 130, right? Next, just multiply the exponents. You get here 2 to the power 3x plus 2 to the power x is equals to 130. Now let's assume that y is equals to the power x. Now just replace it in this equation. So you can write here y cube plus y is equals to 130. Next, just bring 130 on the left hand side. Now what you can do, just break up this 130 into 125 and 5. This is now arrange it as y cube minus 125 plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. Now as you know that 125 is a cube of 5 plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. Now here we'll apply an algebraic identity, that is a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now applying this identity here, just split up this y cube minus 5 cube as y minus 5 bracket y square minus 5 plus 5y plus 25 plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. Now in these two terms, take out y minus 5 as common. So what is left inside the bracket? Y square plus 5y plus 25, and here it is plus 1. Next you can write it as y minus 5 bracket y square plus 5y plus 26 is equals to 0. This implies that y minus 5 is equals to 0 and y square plus 5y plus 26 is equals to 0. So one solution is y is equals to 5. Now for finding the solution of this quadratic equation, compare this equation with the standard quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So you get a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 5 and c is equals to 26. Now applying the quadratic formula here, that is y is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now just put the values. You get minus 5 plus minus under root b square minus 4a into c upon 2 into a. Further you can simplify it as minus 5 plus minus under root 25 minus, here you get 104 upon 2. So you get y is equals to minus 5 plus minus under root minus 79 upon 2. This under root minus 79 is less than 0. But as you know that at x power of x is a power, so it should be greater than or equals to 0. So we discard this solution of x, right? So the solution that we calculated earlier, that is y is equals to 5, right? Now as you know that you assumed that y is equals to 2 to the power x. So 2 to the power x is equals to 5. Now taking log on both sides, you get x log of 2 is equals to log of 5. Now divide by log 2 on both sides. you get x is equals to log of 5 upon log of 2. By putting in the calculator, you get the values as 0.698 upon 0.301. So after dividing, you get x is equals to 2.318. And this is our required answer. I hope you understand it, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.